Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is your girl Yemi D here, your favorite lash tech. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you guys like lash tech vlogs or like vlogs period. If you guys like me, period. Sorry, the light is a little weird. The sun's right there, so and I'm not trying to show you guys too much around here. I don't know if it's gonna be a weekly vlog, but it's definitely gonna be a lash tech vlog. And right now it's like 8:52. We are on our way to go to a yoga class that I picked from ClassPass. I'm so excited because I used to really love yoga when I was younger, so I'm excited to go to that right now, just to, you know, get my body moving, because I'm a lash tech and I be sitting for work all day, and then after that I just sit in the house. So I want to like start like incorporating like going to the gym or like going to yoga, anything that's like going to have my body active. So that's where we're headed to now. I'm really excited. And then we do have a client later on the day, so I'm going to show you guys that. So yeah, let me go ahead and drive to the yoga studio just so I'm early and I can set up, figure out if they allow me to even record anything. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get there.
You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me. Lay your head on my pillow.
I've been watching you from afar, as I can remember. You're all a real man can need, never just for me. This is love. This is more than a crush.
White nail polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Good look at it, shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you like fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you've been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a man, got your own fence. No kid, money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Too many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back.
So we are done with our clients for the day. I was only supposed to have one client today, but I ended up having 2 clients today, so I'm really happy about that. I want to start adding like different curls to my sets, curls like L curl or like M curl. I did a cute little set with using an M curl with one of my clients in New York, and I ended up using an M curl with my client this today. So yeah, so I really want to start doing it, because I feel like M curl and like L curls, or even J's and B curls on a set, it really just like gives it that little pop, especially if you're doing wispy sets. Comment down below if you guys try like J curls, B curls, M curls, L curls. I only use J curl for when I'm doing the bottom lashes, and then I use like M and L curls sometimes. These are the curls that I use. You can't really see the label because I do have some strips on them, but I'm gonna put them down below. But I got these from Amazon. So yeah, that is the end of our work day. I'm about to go ahead and start making some dinner. I think I want some salmon and some rice. I don't know if I want to record it though, but I might as well because you guys are spending the days with me. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and clean up real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and start making dinner.
Can we just before we get I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want in. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should.
I got this wine when I went to Trader Joe's the other day. This is the red wine with spices added. This is like the, I guess, Halloween, part of the Halloween collection that they had. Or I don't know. But yeah, I guess, because it says like witch's brew. It's a red wine. They had a white wine, and I should have got the white one instead because I'm not really a fan of red wine, but I'm gonna drink this. So we're gonna have this with my dinner. So they say the sweetness is a 4. Let me try it again and see how it tastes, because this one was not sweet to me. It's late, so I'm about to start getting ready for bed. And what I like to do before bed is just journal on my iPad. I like to journal my day and how it went, just so I can like look back, because I journal a lot. If you guys didn't know, I have like 2001 journals. I just like to look back at things and just resonate of like where I came from, things that I wish before that like happened now. Like before I even started lashing, I used to like write down I'm gonna be the best lash tech in Queens, and it's just like so amazing to like read back at like things like that. So yeah, I just like journal now on my iPad. So I'm about to do that before I go to sleep. I was gonna book a yoga class for tomorrow morning, but I have a really busy day tomorrow. I have clients all day. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead now and just give myself a to-do list for tomorrow and write in my journal.
I was in the room, I'll make sure I lock the door. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. Oh, you've been dreaming about it. I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just try now? Before we get lost, maybe thoughts can't wait. Never felt like this before.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I'm here at work. I already had like my breakfast and stuff like that. Right now it is 9:41. My first client today comes at 10, and she's a fill-in. Today's gonna be, like I told you guys last night, today is going to be a full work day for me. I have 4 clients today. Yeah, we're gonna get them rolling. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just set up, shake my glow up, and get ready, get fully ready before my client gets here.
Pulling the way down. Now breathe your hand. You only can rescue me. This is my breath. If you were mine, if you were mine, I wouldn't want to go.
o'clock right now. I'm dragging it. It is 7 o'clock. I've been working all day like a dog from 10 to 7. Well, not 10 to 7. I like finished work at like 5:30 and I just like chilled and stuff. But I want to show you guys my bundles that I got. So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I have my hair out. And I end up cutting my hair because I'm like really going through like a hair health journey. I want to stop wearing wigs, like seriously stop wearing wigs. So yeah, I went to a natural hairstylist. She told me exactly what the fuck was wrong with my hair and what I need to do. So yeah, that's that. And then I do have a hair appointment. I'm gonna get a sew-in on Tuesday. So we're gonna see how that is. We already know how it was last time I got a sew-in. I did not like it, but I feel like I didn't like it because my natural hair kept poofing up and I didn't want to keep putting heat on my natural hair because it's like, what's the point of wearing a leave out if I'm gonna damage my hair? We got them from Deluxe Bundles, of course. I got their raw hair, which I'm so excited. I never had raw hair before, and that's another reason why I didn't like my last sew-in, because the hair that I got was like regular human hair, and it was like super silky and straight. While I feel like raw hair would be so much better texture wise, because when my hair poofs up, this hair is also gonna poof up and just look natural and not so like silky pressed. I forgot what texture I ordered, so I'm just gonna put it on the screen. I got this in 22 inches. I got 4 bundles, and their bundles is super thick. Like, you guys, I'm so can't wait. I need to wash my bundles first before my hair appointment, so that's what I'm about to do right now. And I'm gonna wash it with my good shampoo and conditioner. You know, this is raw hair, so you gotta take extra care of this. To go ahead and wash it and just hang it up to dry, so that way when it's Tuesday, because today is Saturday, so that way when it's Tuesday, my bundles are all washed. But look at these 4 bundles together. This hair is so thick. Can't wait.
This is some visionary shit. Been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it's too strong. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste. Novocaine, baby.
So it's been a couple of days. I'm on my way to go get my hair done right now. So that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to get a sew-in. I'm excited. So yeah, I will see you guys once I get my hair done. Cute is my Halloween pajamas. I forgot to show you guys my hair yesterday, but this is how it came out. Really love it. I got these fall, no, I'm not doing that. I got these Trader Joe's organic fall I don't know, zucchini, I don't fucking know, pasta. I'm gonna make them. They're like pumpkin. Let's do that. This is how my dinner came out. Tastes so good, by the way. But that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.